Hello guys, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to add finger animations to your Gorilla Tag fan game. Thanks to Be Awesome for making these scripts. It's able to make the finger animations. So I'm going to show you how to make finger animations now. Enough of yapping. It's not too hard, not too difficult. Um, Same thing. So what we're going to do is you're going to go to my Discord, and down here there's going to be tutorials, and it's going to be how to add finger animations to your Gorilla Tag fan game. So it's just going to be how to add finger animations which will be the finger animation tutorial, and you'll get that and you'll import it. And it's not going to be in a folder. You have to look for it. So it's either going to be in one of your scripts. It's going to be called XR Hand Controller L. So these scripts, not too hard. Let's get to it. So we pull down the player and we find our player model. So we gotta go over here. Just go to your hand on your player model. I'm gonna do my left hand. No, I'm gonna do my left hand first. Yeah, it doesn't really matter which hand you go. And for the scripts, you're gonna go to scripts. And I already did it, but I didn't do the full thing, so because I just realized. So you drag the left XR hand controller script to here. Make sure these are all set to these. Press this right here and put player. And this the right hand's different. For the right hand, you drag this script in, not XR hand L. XR hand L is for the left. XR hand controller script is for the right. So change this to right. Make sure this stays this. Over this player. Now what you're gonna do? It's not even hard. I like this part. Well, actually, it kind of hurts my leg. I mean, not hurt my legs, but just get tired of it. You go to your player after you did all that. I'm gonna start with my right, cause why not? You guys could start with whatever hand you want, but I'm gonna do this. So when you click this, you're gonna click an animation, and it's over here. It's gonna say new animation. You press new animation, and you're gonna call it right hand animation. So it's gonna look like this if you don't know how to spell. Right hand animations. I spelled it no spaces. It just spaced out for some reason. You're gonna name it that. Then what you're gonna do? Then what you're gonna do? You're gonna go back here, and you're gonna click this create new clip, and you're gonna call it pose 1. No capitals, no nothing, no spaces, just POSE 1. And then once you do that, for pose 1, you're gonna go down here, find your pointer finger, click it. Then you're gonna click record. You're gonna move this all the way up to right here, and you're gonna go one by one. So as you see, I already animated mine. What you do is you're gonna click here, and you have to you're gonna have to do that, but it'll record. So whatever you do for the fingers, it will put for you. So as you see, that's how you do it. And then once you're done, you press unrecord, pull this back, and it will. And if you do this, if you did it right, it should look like this. That's the first finger. Then you come here, create new clip, pose 2. Pose 2. It's the same process, but you have to do this finger. You have to do your pinky finger next. Same process. I'm going to give you guys a few minutes, or you guys could pause the video. Just do the same thing. Press record. Pull this all the way over here. and then start animating your finger. And then when you're done animating, so it's all the way down like that, you don't have to pull it back out, but just keep it like that. Then unrecord, and you have your animated finger right there. But that's not how it's the full animation. Please stay tuned because it's not this easy. Pose 3, it's your thumb. You're gonna do your thumb animation, same exact thing. Record, put this to right here, start animating. Once it's all fully done, you're going to unrecord, and then you'll have your animation. Now you have to do your other hand, and same process, but there's still some things you have to do with the right hand. I mean the left hand. So you're gonna click out of this. You're gonna go to left upper or wherever. If you already did left, do thing here. This one's kind of different. So you're gonna go to animation. Okay, for the left hand, what you're gonna do is you're gonna press create, and you're gonna name this capital L E F hand, capital H and D. So LEFT, capital H and D, capital TION, animation. Don't forget the S, animations. Now what you're gonna do, instead of pose 1, pose 2, pose 3, we're gonna do, oh, no capitals, pose, okay, I'm back, pose 4. Save. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna press the record button, which is all the way back. Pull this down. Look for your pointer finger. So I'm gonna animate it. Show you. Do this. You don't have to do exactly like me, but I'm just animating my hand real quick. Probably gonna do it better later on. Okay. I have my animated finger. There we go. Just like that. You just did your pointer finger. But, and even if you do these animations before you guys play the game and test it, you're probably wondering, what's happening? Why isn't my thing working? Maybe some of you guys overviewed the video and did it without doing other steps. It's not going to work unless you do the last part of my video that I will show you. After pose 4, you're going to do pose 5. And this one's going to be your middle. I mean your pinky. Press record here and then animate. So, yeah, let me get done animation. So, okay, I finished animating my pinky. You guys can pause the video if you want. Pinky. Now, new clip. Oh, no capitals. POS. 1 instead of 5, we're doing 6. POSE 6. Sorry, I had to make sure I was correct. If I sound kind of weird, it's because I'm sick. So, now we're doing thumb. This is pretty easy. Remember, press this. Go here. Move it down to where you want it. And this isn't going to take long, so I'm not speeding it up. There we go. thumb. So I'm gonna real quick do my right hand because my left hand broke or something. Okay, so once you're done with your finger animations, you're gonna click on every single one of these. Not these. These are the controllers. These are the animations. So make sure you click on every single one of these. Click one, hold shift, and click the other side. Make sure to not get these. Turn off loop time. Then you're gonna let me just make sure double check all of them. And once you got that, now what you're gonna do is you can start with your left or right. I'm gonna start with my right because that's where my pose 1, pose 2, and all that is. Then, if you guys don't have animation, you guys can right click here, add tab, animator. If you guys don't have that, please look up a tutorial. Sorry, then the clip. Pretty sure it comes with it. Also here, same thing. Animation or animator. I'm not sure how that goes. I'm pretty sure it just comes with it. I'm not really sure. Just click right hand, go to animator. You're gonna hold shift, click all of these, right click on one of them, like pose 2, pose 3, and press delete. Then right click like right here, create stat from new blend tree. You're gonna double click it, then click it once, and then change this from 1D to direct. Don't forget to add 3 floats. Name the first float pose 1, pose 2, pose 3. Just make sure the pose 1, pose 2, pose 3 was on the blend tree that you deleted, or else it's gonna kind of mess up. Now what you're gonna do is from motion, you're gonna press the plus, add motion field, add 3 of those. Change this one, pose 1, change this one, pose 2, this one, pose 3. This, pose 1, this, pose 2, pose 3. Now, you see these, you're going to turn these all the way up. If it says that or whatever, add a 0 and then go all the way up. Now, you're going to go to your left hand, so left hand takes you here. Click on every single one of these. Right click on one of them, delete. Right click, create from new blend tree here. Double click it, one click it from 1D to direct. Add 3 motion fields. And then over here, you're gonna add 3 floats. This one, pose 4, pose 5, pose 6. There we go. This one, pose 4, pose 5, pose 6. Now, make sure these are all the way up. Then add the pose 4 to right here. Pose 5 right here. Pose 6, the last one. Okay. Now, you got it all set up, but it's not networked. So, we're going to help you make this networked, which is pretty easy. Okay. Make sure to file and save, so you have everything saved. You don't have to redo it. It'll be easier to do that than whatever. I don't know. Okay, so I'm back. Now what you're gonna add is you're gonna go to your monkey, go to left hand, add component, add photon, and hold up, I think I spelled that wrong. Yeah, photon, photon, photon animator view. For right here, you're gonna keep that as disabled. For these, you're gonna keep that discrete, 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 discrete. Do the same thing for right hand. Add photon animator view. Keep this disabled. Keep all these discrete, 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 discrete. You're not done yet. So give me a second. Okay, so what you're gonna do now is you're gonna right click this, your player model. I would suggest doing this for just in case your networks didn't fully pick up it, so it will fully pick up it every single time. Unless something happens and something got wrong. You're gonna right click your player model, create empty. You call it finger. You could call it finger. I'm gonna put A for animations. Or you could call it network finger animations. Call it finger. You could call it finger animation. I don't really care. And then what you're gonna do here is you're gonna add a photon. You're gonna add a photon. Oops. Photon view. And keep it just like this. Click out of this, out of here. File, save. And now you should have finger animations. That's it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. If you guys have any problems, join the Discord and I'll help you guys out. Bye-bye.